Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on apps, then you come to apps list and here you're looking for PicWish app. Or just click on search. Add here PicWish, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, and here you search for PicWish app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if they click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.